Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to talk about how to align text in Figma. So first of all, if you are typing text in Figma with the text tool, it will automatically be left aligned. This is the default state in almost any of the programs. But then, as you can see here, the bound box around your text, if you can click with the mouse on it and then you are dragging it around, your text will automatically wrap. So from just like one line to two lines and so on and so on. And now let's imagine we want to align the text a little bit different. And then here on the right, on the text panel, there are three options. First option, left align. Second option, center align. And last option would be right align. And that's really, really easy. You can simply click on it and then work with it as you like. But then there is another option that I wanted to show you, and this is hidden in the settings tab. So type settings, and then if we click on basic, we will find a fourth option, and the fourth option is here to justify the text. And this is basically something that will work for the text that it's on blocks. So on the left side of the bound box and on the right side of the bound box. And this makes sense if you have a little bit more text and you want to fill out specific spaces without it looking too weird. And yeah, that's basically the third option. You can also play around a little bit and try how the gaps are between the words. But hope you liked the video about alignment of text in Figma. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.